SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and its goal is to rank at the top of Google or any other search engine. For this, you can use many techniques, but the most basic ones are to add a title, description, and some more meta tags. That's what Google uses here when you search, for example, for YouTube: the title, the description, and other meta tags. And also there is something called Open Graph. This is what it's shown when you share a link. When you share a link through WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Facebook, etc., it usually has an image, a title, and a description. This can be different from the one you have on your website. Okay, so at Discord, for example, the title, description, and image is shown like this. Okay, and you can add this to your document with meta tags. There are basic SEO meta tags called description, keywords, and author. Okay, so you can just add the name, description, and the content will be the description that Google will use. This is the actual description of your website. The keywords are keywords that describe your website. So maybe if you are selling, for example, in this case, a magic kit, you should add here magic kit, toys, etc. The author, if the author of this content is a relevant author and people search their name, his name is important to add it here. So when they search that name, your content might appear on the search results. And here we have the Open Graph meta tags, which is the same, a title, but we add OG 2 dots. Okay, so we have the property, OG title, and the content. Repeat description, the content. The image, this will be the URL to the image you want to show. Okay, so in this case, this YouTube image, and your website URL, and the type of content you are sharing, in this case, a website. Okay, so this is very basic. Of course, there are plenty of techniques you can use for SEO. There are plenty of meta tags, like if the product is in stock, if it has reviews, the price, etc., etc., etc. But this is very basic, so you can begin your journey. But again, this is a basic HTML course, so I hope you enjoyed this HTML module. It's time to go to CSS or styling.